Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Age at Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more important problems of mathematics, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get all these questions, you need to visit our website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academic Adda. Under academic Adda, you need to select math important questions. Okay friends, one more thing, all these questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel and the playlist is titled as math important questions. Okay, so coming back to the given problem, what is given here? A population is numbered as 17,000 organisms initially and grows by 6.9% each year. So growth rate is given and total initial population is given as 17,000. Now if P represents the population and T represents the number of years of growth, so we need to write an exponential model for the population in the form of P equal to A into B to the power T. Okay. So a into b raised to the power t, we have to write an exponential model. So coming to the problem, what is given here? Initial population is given as 17,000 and rate of growth is equal to 6.9%. So if we write in terms of fraction, it will be 0.069. Okay. So if P0 is the initial size of the population and experiencing exponential growth, then after T years, the population, when it is written in exponential form, it can be written as P equal to P0 into e to the power RT, where P is the population after T years, P0 is the initial population, R is the relative rate of growth expressed as a fraction of the population, and T is the number of years of growth. So in this problem, it is given that P0 equal to 17,000, means initial population is 17,000 and relative rate of growth is 0.069 in terms of fraction, right? So substituting the value of P0 and R in equation 1, means this equation, so we will get P equal to 17,000 into e raised to the power 0.069 t. Okay friends, now if you want to calculate population in after any number of years like 5 years, 10 years, so you can calculate just by simply putting t equal to number of years. Okay, so in this way we solve the problems like this. Okay, thank you.